Before we proceed, please note that this video is made by AI, but all the content is manually researched by our team, and it's not AI generated. Ever found yourself locked out of the ACR Poker app or website with an error code 403 flashing on your screen? This error is a common roadblock many players encounter while trying to log in, typically resulting from temporary glitches, multiple accounts, or server-side issues. Today we're here to help you navigate this error and get back to your game. First off, the most straightforward fix is the general step. This involves simply restarting your device. Often a quick reboot can clear out temporary glitches that may be causing the error. If the error persists after a restart, move on to clearing the app's cache data. For those using the ACR Poker website, clear your browser cache or try using a different browser. But what if you've tried all the above and you're still locked out? There's another trick you can try. Switch between the ACR Poker website and mobile app. If you're using one platform and encountering the error, try logging in on the other platform. Now, if you've tried logging in on both the ACR Poker website and mobile app and you're still receiving the error, it's time to consider another possibility. Do you have multiple accounts? If so, this error could indicate that your account has been locked out due to the presence of these multiple accounts. In this case, patience is key. Wait a couple of hours before trying to log in again. If the issue is server-side, it'll likely resolve itself within this time frame. If not, it's time to reach out to the ACR Poker support team. They can provide a solid explanation and assist you in resolving the issue. To summarize, the ACR Poker Error Code 403 can be a nuisance, but it's not insurmountable. It primarily occurs due to temporary glitches, multiple accounts, or server-side issues. The fixes include general steps like restarting your device, clearing cache, switching between platforms, and reaching out to the ACR Poker support team if necessary. If you like this information, don't forget to subscribe. It will be a great support. And for more tech updates, visit queries.com.